I have completed my work. I have completed my work. I am getting late for school. I am getting late for school. Brushing teeth keeps them healthy and clean. Brushing teeth keeps them healthy and clean. I wash hands before eating food. I wash hands before eating food. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. I like to eat fruits. I like to eat fruits. My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. I am going out to play with my friends. I am going out to play with my friends. I finished my lunch. I finished my lunch. I can speak 2 languages. I can speak 2 languages. Do you like Chinese food? Do you like Chinese food? My mother is scolding me. My mother is scolding me. My mother helps me with my homework. My mother helps me with my homework. I am playing with my pet dog. I am playing with my pet dog. I am going out for dinner with my parents. I am going out for dinner with my parents. I like to watch cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. My school bus is coming. My school bus is coming. My parents are very strict. My parents are very strict. My teacher punished me today. My teacher punished me today. I am a quick learner. I am a quick learner. I am riding a bicycle. I am riding a bicycle. Birds are chirping. Birds are chirping. Can I play badminton with you? Can I play badminton with you? My best friend is brilliant. My best friend is brilliant. My friends always share lunch with me. My friends always share lunch with me. I live in a nuclear family. I live in a nuclear family. She lives in a joint family. She lives in a joint family. My aim is to become a doctor. My aim is to become a doctor. Don't try to be over smart with me. Don't try to be over smart with me. I will not attend school tomorrow. I will not attend school tomorrow. I am sorry for spilling. I am sorry for spilling. I draw with crayons. I draw with crayons. Feeling sleepy now. Feeling sleepy now. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. I am bored. I am bored. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. What's the time now? What's the time now? It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. Where's my teddy bear? Where's my teddy bear? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? My grandparents love me a lot. My grandparents love me a lot. I cannot understand. I cannot understand. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please.